Hey guys, it's Scott. Hope you're having a great day, and thanks to everyone for visiting the channel. When folks mention intervals, there's a tendency to brush off the idea. You often think, yeah, I've got this, right? Half steps, whole steps, modes, what's the big deal anyway? Well, the major scale and modes are directly tied to the natural overtone sequence, and we can even use this to explain why the Lydian mode is so captivating. We start with the idea that individual notes are not single frequencies, but are combinations of their characteristic overtones, that is, multiples of their fundamental frequency. Lower overtones play the biggest role, and the first three overtones are the perfect 8 or the octave, the perfect 5th, the perfect 4th, and they have the ratios 2 to 1, 3 to 2, or 4 to 3. In the key of C, these notes would correspond to a C, a G, and an F. And what's most interesting is that we can use the perfect 5th ratio to build an entire major scale. If we compare the scale that we built to the 12 equal temperament scale, we find we're within about 10 cents, with the exception of the 4th degree, which is really giving us an F sharp instead of an F. To fix this, we have to flatten the F sharp, or we would just switch to the perfect 4th as our ratio. The perfect 5th scale that we just built has all the same notes as the G major scale. And so if we were to play those notes over a C tonic, we would hear the C-lydian mode. If we start with the tonic, and we use the perfect 5th ratio, we're able to generate the notes of a 12 equal temperament scale to very good accuracy. But even better, we're generating the notes of the circle of fifths. Hope you found this interesting. I'm Scott. See you next time.